G'day YouTube, this is Alex from Automatrix AI. Today we're going to start off with making a Botpress bot with a Zapier connection. So first off, we'll start by creating a first node with a bit of a welcome message. Followed by add a raw input for their name. Save under workflow.name. Another raw input for their phone number. Save as workflow.phone. We'll add another one for their email. And same thing, save under workflow.email. Add new node. Execute block. Earlier. Righto, that's ready. We're going to Zapier. Start the webhook. Now use a catch hook. Copy that URL. Paste it in there. All this will be available in the description below. That looks good. Just away. Righto, now we just test the hook. Test the trigger. As you can see, the information has come through, the name, phone, email. Now set up a Google Sheet. Create new spreadsheet row. I've already signed in, but you just log in through there into your Google Sheets. Choose the drive, spreadsheet, and just the worksheet number. Here you enter in your name that you captured through Botpress. I will just test that. Sending to, so as you can see, it just popped up just here. Now we'll add one more step. Create draft email. Once you're logged in, continue. And then you can choose the email address from the catch hook. Enter a subject. Welcome. Add their name into it. Choose text. And our channel, enter their, my mistake, enter their name, continue, and then test. Sending a draft email. An email was composed. So there you have it. A simple Botpress with Zapier integration. Thanks for watching.